Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from QuickBooks to your bank account in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner managing finances or just getting started with accounting software, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. QuickBooks has evolved a lot, with enhanced security features and easier integrations in 2025, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. If you haven't already, head to the QuickBooks website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Banking or Transactions tab. It's usually on the left-hand menu. This is where all your financial activities are tracked. Next, look for the Transfer Funds option. In the 2025 version, QuickBooks has a new streamlined interface, so you might see a dedicated button for transfers. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the account you're transferring from, probably your QuickBooks business account, and the destination, which is your linked bank account. Double-check that your bank is properly connected. If not, you'll need to go to Settings and add it via the Banking Connections feature. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be precise. Include any necessary details like the date and a memo for your records. QuickBooks will show you a preview of the transaction, so review it carefully to avoid errors. Hit Confirm or Transfer Now, and QuickBooks will process the request. Depending on your bank, this might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. One important tip: always verify the transfer in your bank's app or website afterward to ensure everything went smoothly. In 2025, QuickBooks includes real-time notifications, so keep an eye on those. If you run into issues, like insufficient funds or connection problems, check your account balances or contact QuickBooks support. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from QuickBooks to your bank account in just a few simple steps. This feature can save you time and reduce errors in your financial management. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Word count: 385.